Hi everyone, this is Rachel from mohrayoga. Today I'm going to put some makeups. So what I'm going to show you is just doing a simple makeup routine usually before going to work. So first you have to use, usually I mix my product. I don't go any, how to say, very expensive product. So as long as my skin is suited on that certain product, I'll carry on using it. So at first you have to clean your face with some toner and just use cotton and so on, let it dry, and then I apply sunblock HPH 50, any brand I usually do. So just put up a bit, because even you are at home or outside, sometimes the weather is a bit hot. So this usually I did, and then just tap a bit. So by the way, this is Warda. So if you don't want so sticky, if you doesn't want too sticky, usually I use other product. But you want something like with a UV shield and a bit sticky, then you have to use Warda HPH. I recommend. It's quite, how to say, it's quite price is reasonable. And then we have to apply some white foundation. I usually goes to the number, this is 30 HPH. I already applied 50 HPH right now, earlier on. So this is 30 HPH. It's a white foundation. I use 11C pink color. So don't apply in the sponge, because the sponge sometimes it will take a lot of your cream, so it will be a waste. So what I just did, I just put some top into it, and you can just put simply in one part. So you have to put the dot everywhere, then just try to spread out, spread a bit. So let me go. Then you have to use a sponge to make it even the toning of the skin. Okay, guys, I managed to do my makeup earlier on. I was rushing to church and I just put sunblock, and I even put cream because I'm rushing and I was too late going to church. So now I'm waiting for my son sent to the camp for his booking on his army. So I'll just show you how to do a quick makeup touch up or quick makeup arrangement. Okay, most important, because the weather here is very hot, you have to put sunblock. Okay, you see that it's already even. Okay, and then I use Color Fit Velvet Powder Foundation. I just use a bit because I doesn't want my skin is too white. I use that. Just to make it even the skin tone. And then let me tie my hair. It's very long. Cover this. A lipstick. I use this lipstick. What brand is this? I don't know what brand I'm using actually. this brand is Christian Dior, and this is Christian Dior as well. So I use a lip liner. Hopefully I have my lip liner here because some of my makeup are just in my bag, because sometimes I don't wear makeup when I go out from the house. So I do when I'm driving, I do makeup. So when traffic light is on, then I'll continue doing makeup. Okay, here. So red velvet makeup. Then this is my favorite makeup smoke kit of Christian Dior. Okay. So this is what inside. So it's very good when you travel. Just bring one is good enough. Just to touch up. Okay. This is pink blusher. Then I use for the eyes as well. I usually use the layer just on top of my skin, the lighter color, either white or the peach color. So these two just covered and not to be so much darken the upper top of your eyes. And then once that's done, the whole area on the top area, then I'll just apply a small amount of the darker color. Usually this is my favorite, or the black brownish color. So I just put here on the top of my eyelids, because I got big eyes, so easier for me to do a combination of darker color. That's what people say, I got big eyes. Big eyes, scary eyes. Okay. So you have to put it even both sides, so the darker is not so obvious. Okay, almost there. Oh my gosh, what happened to me? Okay, this is the problem when you're wearing your outside clothing when doing makeup. But I have no choice. Today I have to wear my clothing because I just came back, and then just now I don't put makeups. So I just want to have a quick shoot to you how it works. Okay, the next one we're going to put some eyebrow. No, on my eyebrow is a tattoo eyebrow, but I just make it darker. So I use cheap quality of eyebrow pencil, but this I feel comfortable on more nicer color. It's a darker brown. Ay, cotton. Pantay ba guys? Hindi yata. Okay. So I have to put a layer of pencil to make it level both sides. Okay. We'll see how's the result.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that.
Okay.
It's
And then
like every time the
now we are going to
conversation
put some
changes,
eyeliner.
right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have.
Kasi tingnan nyo, here it's a bit darker. There is a shape of my eyes. Here haven't yet. Kasi hindi ko pa nilalagyan ng eyeliner.
Turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb
Here you go.
in your head.
So,
You say
by the way, kung kung nafe-feel nyo na malaki yung eye bags nyo or klarong-klaro yung mga linya ng mukha na skin ng linya ng wrinkles nyo, so I can suggest you just use any of these concealer. Usually ang concealer i-apply mo ito during your after na nalinisan mo ng toner or cleanser yung mukha, tapos apply mo yung concealer before foundation or foundation after concealer, so it will look much nicer. Okay, that's all for today guys. Have a lovely day.